Have you ever wondered if your computer could be a billion times faster? Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown, quantum versus classical computers. Classical computers, like your phone or laptop, think in bits. Think of a bit as a light switch. It's either off at 0 or on at 1. They process information one step at a time, following instructions in a perfectly logical, sequential order. Simple, right? But it has limits. Enter the quantum computer. Instead of bits, it uses qubits. And this is where things get, well, a little bit weird. Thanks to a phenomenon called superposition, a qubit can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. It's like a spinning coin that's both heads and tails until it stops. This allows quantum computers to explore millions of possibilities all at once. Imagine solving a maze by walking every path at the same time. Then there's entanglement. Qubits can be linked so that the state of one instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. Einstein called it spooky. While a classical computer might take years to solve a complex math problem, a quantum computer could finish it in just seconds. That is a massive jump in power. But there's a catch. Quantum computers are extremely sensitive and need to be kept colder than outer space, almost absolute zero. So don't expect to play your favorite games on a quantum PC anytime soon. They aren't meant for checking emails or watching videos. They are built for massive tasks, simulating new life-saving medicines, perfecting battery technology, or even predicting global weather patterns. They could even crack modern encryption in minutes, which is why scientists are already racing to build quantum-proof security. We are still in the early days, like the vacuum tube era of classical computers, but the potential is absolutely staggering. In the future, we'll likely use a hybrid system, classical computers for daily tasks and quantum accelerators for the heavy lifting. Companies like Google, IBM, and Microsoft are already in a global race to achieve quantum supremacy, the point where quantum beats classical. With great power comes great responsibility. Ensuring quantum technology is used safely and ethically is the next big challenge for humanity. For the next generation of engineers and scientists, quantum mechanics will be the new foundation of the digital world. It's time to start learning. So remember, bits are linear and logical. Qubits are parallel and powerful. Together, they are redefining what's possible. What do you think? Will quantum computers change your life? Or is it all just science fiction for now? Let us know in the comments below. For more guides on the future of technology and how to master digital tools, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Always remember, correct information is the key to securing your digital future. Stay informed and stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching this deep dive. Don't forget to like this video and hit that bell icon. And next, we explore the world of AI. Stay curious.